Hi, and welcome to Hard Ink Studios. If you are new here, make sure to hit the like button now and comment down below. Today we are looking at monitor settings. The monitor tab lets you adjust status text, overlays, and other monitoring options for your Blackmagic Pocket Cinema camera's LCD touchscreen and the HDMI output. Options are ranged by output between LCD, HDMI and both, which covers monitor settings that affect the LCD and the HDMI output. These menus have 2 pages of options, which you can cycle through by tapping the arrows at the edge of your camera's touchscreen or swiping left or right. Clean Feed tab disable all status text and overlays for that output, except the record tally indicator. Your Blackmagic Pocket Cinema camera can apply 3D LUTs to any output to approximate the look of color-graded footage. This is especially useful when recording clips using film dynamic range. If your camera has a 3D LUT active, use this setting to independently apply that LUT to your LCD touchscreen or HDMI output. Zebra, Focus Assist, Frame Guide, Grid, Safe Area, and False Color are discussed in the previous video. The second page of the LCD Monitor tab contains settings unique to your LCD touchscreen. The status text on your LCD or HDMI screen lets you hide all video info, leaving only the information necessary to compose or direct a shot. Tap the status text switch icon to toggle the appearance of status text in meters. Overlays such as frame guides, grids, focus assist, and zebra remain visible, if enabled. Swiping up or down on the LCD touchscreen has the same effect. Display section of the LCD incorporate meters and coded resolution. Instead of a histogram and audio meters, your camera can display codec and resolution information at the left and right bottom edges of the LCD touchscreen. This can be useful if you prefer to use false color for dialing and exposure, or are recording audio separately, and want to display additional information in the space normally used by the histogram and audio meter. Simply tap meters or codec and resolution in the LCD menu to select your preferred view. Drag the screen brightnesses slider in the LCD menu left or right to adjust the brightness of your camera's LCD touchscreen. When in HDMI tab, the display section shows cinematographer or director tabs. Cinematographer has the same meters look in LCD mode. The director tab has all the information for the director like frames per second, camera, operator, reel, scene, take, and more. To enter this information, swipe on the camera LCD. Monitor settings that affect the LCD and the HDMI output on Pocket Cinema Camera 6K and Pocket Cinema Camera 4K are grouped in the both menu. Frame guides have been discussed in the previous video. Guide opacity menu setting lets you choose the opacity of the areas blocked out by frame guides on your LCD touchscreen and HDMI output. The options are 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. Focus Assist section incorporates peak and colored lines. Peak focus method heavily sharpen areas that are in focus on your LCD touchscreen or HDMI output, but not in the recorded image itself. This causes focused parts of your shot to pop out of the softer background on screen. The colored line style Focus Assist pop colored line around the parts of the image that are in focus. This can be a little more intrusive than peak-style focus assistance, as the lines are drawn over your image, but especially in busy shots with a lot of visible elements, it can be a precise focus aid. The focus assist level is discussed in the previous video. Focus color is the color that will be overlaid during focus. We use standard red color, and zebra levels are discussed in the previous video. Next page shows the grid and safe area guide, which was discussed, and there is anamorphic esquiz. I won't lie to you, but we don't know what this function does, since we don't own anamorphic lenses. In the next video we will look at audio settings. Thank you for watching and make sure to watch the next video. Have a nice day and subscribe.